Today is the second day of building no-code calculators in public, and today I want to create a logo for no-code calculators. So I'm going to be using Adobe Illustrator, and for now I don't know how it's going to look like yet. So this is a logo of one of my other websites, which is vetedremote.com. So I was trying to see if I could play with something around it and create something out of it, but I don't have any idea yet. So I'm going to be doing this together with you. Now I'm coming to Google to see how I can represent no code, you know, if I can find any idea. Okay, so this is a website called No Code Tech, and then this is how their logo looks like. I like to see images. So let me say no code symbol. Okay, this is how no code looks like. I would like to make something quite simple. Yeah, so we are dealing with calculators. So another tab, I'm going to open this and say calculator symbol with just images. Okay, so first of all, the I'm going to be using the same colors from my other brands. So I have three other brands that use the same color already. So let me just show you briefly. Vetedremote.com, vetedgiving.com, and my personal sites. They all use these colors, and that is just what I'm going to be using. So one of the issues some people have is the fact that they spend so much time worrying about colors, about logos, about branding, and all of that, and that's kind of limits them from starting what they need to start, and from just you know, getting started with something so simple. So that is how I do all of my things. I believe so much in simplicity, and then over time, if there is a need, I do something else that I think might work better. Okay, so this we've seen the icons for calculators, and so I think with this information I have, I should be able to get something started. So the first step I want to take is to actually write out the initials, the letters that make up the name of the brand, which is non no code. I mean no code calculators, which is basically NC, right? So I want to represent as simple as possible something that shows that this involves not coding, and at the same time it has to do with calculators. So I just want it to be as simple as possible. I'm definitely going to have this kind of background, circular background, whether it's this color or something else. I'm just going to have that. And I like to change this to Poppins. Okay. So for this n right now, I can see greater than and less than symbol embedded in it somehow. Yeah, so like that is in it naturally. So maybe there's something I can do with that. I can see this. Um, I don't want to take time with this. I don't want to take time with this at all. Okay. I like something sharp, so I'm still going to alter that eventually. So it's kind of rhymes with the a kind of website this is. So this is just to start. This is just to reflect. Okay, so actually something like this. Something like this. No code. If you say this is like this comes to n, which represents no code. At the same time, it includes code. Yeah. So calculators. Maybe I'll just think I should bring this down a little bit and then put just a simple O, just a simple O like degree, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Or I do something like this. So instead of having just this C, let's say this has a fill. Okay, so I'm going to expand this, give it a stroke, uh, give it a wide stroke. I want to see that the stroke is set outside, yeah. Then I expand this. Okay, so if this were also going to expand this, so if this were a C covering this were a C, I think I might just even shrink this. Okay, so it's not a perfect circle. Okay, so something like this, something that closes this circle, although you can still see some spaces at the top, at the bottom. Let me kind of align this. Yeah, so something like this. Okay, and then maybe slimmer, and then I have this. If this is this color, and then I have, so this is out for now, and then I have this on the inside of it as white. Now I mean to have this. Okay, because I haven't expanded this, so it's still just a stroke. this way white, and then this way white. Guess that would be too busy. Just want something now not working as planned. Something like this, and this comes on the outside as a kind of C. So I'm going to cut this. Oh, I've lost my C. Lost my C. Okay, let me just write another one. Just to get an approximate size. Okay, so if I bring this my O over here, and okay, bring back my C. So I'll have to cut somewhere around here and here approximately, so I can delete this, make this a group, and then put it at the center of this. And where's my pathfinder? And cut. Then I nah wasn't I able to? I guess I didn't. I meant to choose this and divide. Okay, that didn't work at first, so cutting this off. Yeah, something like this. So this should represent the calculators. Well, maybe I can just take this off and work on this to make it better, and actually use this n, the real n. I can use it if I'm able to get this exact line. Seems this may work. So let me see. Okay, yeah, so pathfinder divide again. Was I able to do that? No. Okay, so I think I can just remove this. Remove this. Seems I have two nodes here, and I need just one. I think I've made a mistake somewhere. Let's see. Let me check the side of this. So I'm just going to draw a line from this point to this point to check if if it's the same with this, make this line white. Okay, it's exactly the same. And then I can use this. Hmm. Let's see how. Let's see how this. Oh no. So I'm just going to lock this to avoid this nonsense. Okay. And you come too big. Well, still prefer it without the C. And I think this kind of looks different. Yeah, sort of looks better. And then since we're talking about calculators, what if I use um, a square background instead of this circular one? What if I use something like this? Yeah, the square can kind of reflect the fact that it's a calculator we're talking about, and then put this somewhere here and make it this other color here. Yeah, I think this works. This works. So I just need to work on this to make sure it's excellent. These nodes, are they at exactly the same point? Okay, they are. Then I duplicate this and rotate while holding Alt and Shift. Okay, I see the difference now. Yeah. Okay, so I just have to use a kind of visual balance over here. Oh wow. Oh no. Wow. I have to start afresh, I guess. Something went wrong somewhere. I don't know. So But I know already what I want to do, so I think I'm not going to spend so much time. Before now, I restarted it and I was able to recover the document and I saved it here. So I was able to save it. So there was an error after that, so that's why I quickly saved it. But fortunately, this is where the auto save. This is where it got to, and this is actually good enough for me. So I'm just going to carry this over. Make a copy in case I want to make adjustment in the future. I'm going to expand this. Yeah, so group it and then first let it stay over here. I'm going to align this to the middle, group it, and put it somewhere here, still using visual balance. Okay, so this is my logo. This is my logo for now. Yeah, I can just get to work with this. Okay, so doing a bit of cleanup. I'm going to retain this. I think I should leave this. Um, so I'll export this as an SVG. No code, no code calculators. I need to create a folder for this on my desktop. Oh no, since I already have a folder, so I'm just going to save this. Alright, so that is how I created my logo. In the next video, I'm going to be starting out the site. Since I already have my colors, I have my logo, and yeah, so that is what you should expect in the next video. If you like this, please let me know. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.